Are you planning a global career in finance, investment, or portfolio management? Here we will discuss the complete CFA Roadmap. The Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) program is one of the most respected finance certifications in the world, designed to shape you into an investment expert, financial analyst, and portfolio manager. You'll learn about the CFA program, eligibility requirements, exam levels, registration steps, exam pattern, effective study strategies, timelines, and career options after each level. Whether you're a student or a working professional, this roadmap will help you plan your CFA journey with clarity and confidence. Watch till the end. This roadmap can define your global finance career. Let's begin your CFA journey the right way with CareerAligns. What is CFA? We'll start by explaining the fundamentals of CFA. CFA stands for Chartered Financial Analyst. It is a globally recognized professional qualification offered by the CFA Institute in the United States. The CFA program is considered the gold standard in investment and finance education. It focuses on areas such as investment analysis, portfolio management, equity research, financial reporting, ethics, and risk management. Unlike traditional accounting roles, CFA professionals play a key role in investment decision-making, asset allocation, valuation, and wealth creation. CFA Charterholders are trusted advisors to investors and institutions, helping them manage capital efficiently and ethically in global financial markets. Eligibility criteria. Before you plan your CFA journey, let's break down the eligibility criteria you must meet. To register for the CFA program, a candidate must meet any one of the following conditions. You must have a bachelor's degree or be in the final year of your undergraduate program. Alternatively, you may have 4 years of full-time professional work experience. You can also qualify through a combination of education and work experience totaling 4 years. There is no specific educational background restriction, which means students from commerce, management, engineering, science, or economics can pursue CFA. There is also no age limit, making CFA suitable for students as well as working professionals. CFA Institute registration process. Explore how to register for the CFA program through the CFA Institute. CFA registration is completely online through the official CFA Institute website. First, candidates need to create an account on the CFA Institute portal. Next, select the exam level, Level Y, Level 2, or Level 3, and choose your preferred exam window. After filling in personal and academic details, upload the required documents and pay the registration and exam fees. Once registered, candidates gain access to the official CFA curriculum, practice questions, and learning ecosystem provided by the CFA Institute. Registering early allows you to save on fees and plan your studies more effectively. Key subjects and concepts. Now comes the most important part, understanding the key subjects and core CFA concepts. The CFA syllabus is divided into 3 levels, each building on the previous one. Across all levels, core subjects include ethics and professional standards, financial reporting and analysis, quantitative methods, corporate issuers, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments, portfolio management, and wealth planning. At Level 1, the focus is on building strong foundational knowledge and understanding basic financial concepts. At Level 2, the emphasis shifts to valuation, analysis, and application of concepts using case-based questions. At Level 3, the focus is on portfolio management, wealth planning, and strategic decision-making, including written response questions. Ethics is a critical subject at all 3 levels and plays a major role in the final result. Smart study strategy. Enhance your skills with a smart study strategy for CFA. CFA is a concept-driven and application-oriented program, so understanding is more important than memorization. Start by thoroughly understanding the syllabus and topic weightage. Create a realistic and disciplined study plan, targeting around 300 to 350 study hours per level. Focus on conceptual clarity, especially in financial reporting, equity, fixed income, and ethics. Practice as many mock tests and practice questions as possible. Analyze your mistakes carefully and revise weak areas regularly. Consistency, revision, and practice are the real keys to clearing CFA exams. Exam pattern and passing criteria. Explore how the exam is structured and what it takes to pass. CFA exams are conducted in computer-based mode. Level Y consists of multiple choice questions. Level 2 features item set case studies. Level 3 includes item sets and constructed response or essay-type questions. Each exam is divided into 2 sessions with an optional break. There is no fixed passing percentage. The CFA Institute determines a minimum passing score, also known as MPS, based on exam difficulty. Balanced preparation across all subjects is essential to clear each level successfully. After clearing all CFA levels. What happens after clearing all 3 CFA levels? After passing levels Y, 2, and 3, candidates must complete 4,000 hours of relevant professional work experience. They must also apply for CFA Institute membership and adhere to the Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. Once approved, candidates earn the prestigious CFA Charter. CFA Charterholders work in roles such as Investment Analyst, Portfolio Manager, Equity Research Analyst, Risk Manager, Wealth Manager, Financial Consultant. They are in high demand across investment firms, asset management companies, banks, hedge funds, consulting firms, and multinational corporations. Additional tips for success. Advance your skills with some additional tips for CFA success. Start early and avoid last-minute preparation. Revise ethics multiple times, especially close to the exam. Use mock exams as learning tools, not just assessment tools. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and trust the process. Remember, CFA is a marathon, not a sprint. CFA Training Program. Preparing for CFA becomes much easier when you have the right training support. The CareerAligns CFA Training Program is designed to help aspirants build strong expertise in finance, investment management, and analytical skills with a clear, exam-oriented approach. The program offers structured learning, expert faculty guidance, and deep concept clarity across all CFA levels. Students receive comprehensive study materials, practical examples, mock examinations, and personalized mentoring to strengthen exam readiness. With flexible online and offline learning options, learners can balance CFA preparation alongside college or professional commitments. CareerAligns focuses on strong fundamentals, smart preparation strategies, and consistent practice, helping candidates clear CFA levels confidently and unlock global career opportunities in finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance and professional insights. Thank you for watching, and all the very best for your CFA journey.